Hey guys, welcome to this course on ZBrush. This time I thought it would be a good idea to create a bust. However, I've decided to create an alien bust. Why? Well, basically because I thought it would be a great option to stimulate our creativity as there are no real references. Okay? So, what we are going to do first is to develop the bust, and once it's finished, we'll use that brush plugin to transform it into a 3D model suitable for printing, okay? So let's go to the point and start with a base provided by the software. As you already know, go to Lightbox. Well, before that, this is the interface asset. You should know how to set it, but in case you don't, I'll provide it to you. I'll go through the interface setup, but not the buttons, just the interface so you can substitute the default one, okay? So, to install the new interface, go to Document menu, and there you find the different options where you can load our interface. To load the interface, go to Preferences, Config, and Restore Standard UI to restore the default interface. Okay, then upload the file. Okay. So this is the interface. I load it again. So Preference, Config, Unload, UI, and Open. Okay, so let's load it again. Okay. Guys, I prefer working with this custom interface because the main functions are handy, okay? Let's open the base model, which is a base provided by the software. So click on Tool, and I'll select the human model, okay? Cool. If you click on the line fill button to activate the mesh, you'll see that the model is divided into various polygroups: the arm, the fingers, the torso. Everything is separated, right? And it's great since the Dynamesh is similar. However, now we need to remove the layers making up the model. What does it mean? Well, if you go to Dynamesh and click here, a dialog box will open and it says that the mesh has layers. To solve this, click on Make Polymesh and the model is automatically suitable for Dynamesh. Let's open the Subtool panel and check if the rest of layers disappeared. Before there were elements like the eyes or the brain, but we aren't interested in them, So guys, click now on Geometry and activate the Dynamesh button. As you can see, the resolution is poor, so we need to tweak the resolution parameter to improve it. Go back and move the slider to 680 more or less. Click again on Dynamesh and wait for the model to be loaded. Great. Now deactivate the mesh. What we are going to do now is to cut the model wherever we want. In this case, we only keep the bust. So hold down Ctrl and Shift to activate the lasso. So as I was saying, hold down Ctrl and Shift and select an area. The green area is the part that will be kept and the rest is removed. In this case, we are going to do the following. Make sure the symmetry is activated, which is with the X key. And then hold down Ctrl and Shift and select the area you want to clip out. When the area is selected, press Alt. See? The area just disappeared. Okay, let's try again. Ctrl and Shift and select again. More or less, okay. So guys, you may need to select it several times until getting the exact area. So I'll try to make an approximate selection and I'll polish it afterwards. So let's make it. Great, perfect. The symmetry is on, so both sides are the same. Can you appreciate it? Let's click now on Close Holes. Well, sorry. Let's first click on Delete Hidden to delete the rest of the body, which is hidden right now, and then Close Holes to also delete holes. So guys, it's time to save what we've done so far. So go to File and Save As. Guys, don't forget to save from time to time, as ZBrush may collapse anytime, and if that happens, you lose everything. So it's essential you save it from time to time, okay? Well guys, see you in the next lesson.